Hello, welcome to this tutorial. So today we have a Keypad mobile, it is smart 4G. So the problem with this phone is that this button here, up button, is not working. So you see this button is working, but this up button is not working. But other button, they are working. But this button does not work. You see this button does not work, does not respond. So this is the problem with this phone. So we're going to disassemble this phone and then take this and then fix this problem. So let's turn off the phone, power off this phone. So the phone is turning off. So remove the battery. So remove the screw, remove all the screw. So after that, let's remove this, remove front cover. So remove the front cover. So this is a button that does not work. So this button is not working. This button is not working. This is the problem. This button does not respond. So we're going to fix this problem. And the customer said that the phone is spilled with water. So we're going to remove this. First of all, we need to remove this and clean here with benzene. So remove this and we are going to clean with benzene. So the button fell. So this is the button which is failed and it's seen like it's dead. It is too dead. You see like a liquid spill here, and this one like a liquid spill. So to fix this problem, I'm going to clean this benzene. So this is your benzene. So take a toothbrush and put a benzene. After that, so little amount of benzene. I'm going to use a little amount of benzene to clean over this area here. Clean here with benzene. So clean here with benzene. So now it is clean. It's clean. Clean this benzene properly. So now it's clean. So I'm going to return this. So we're going to test. So install the battery. Power on. The phone is on. Karibu to this Smart 4G by Tigo, enabled by KOS. So this phone is the KOS. don't know what is this type of operating system. So this one is already turned on. So it is working. It's working. You see, the button is working after clean with benzene. So the button is working fine. So you see the button is working. So let me show you. See the button is working. This button is fixed already, this one. We already fixed this button. So by clean with benzene. So you see the button is working. So guys, this is how to fix a problem's buttons. So just first clean first. So we're going to put the front cover. So put the front cover properly. So now guys, the button is working. So every button here now is working properly. Is working. So fine. So we're going to assemble this phone. So let's put the nut back. Put the nut back. So guys, let's test your phone. So let's test again. So see, so this is the button is problem. This app, this button for move, for select app. Now it's fixed. So let's test again. See, now it's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Down, 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 up, up. So guys, the button is working. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. Thank you guys.